Can I please get
Go ahead.
to the counter also for a recount?
Someone to the counter, please. This is Hey Ya. My baby don't mess around, she loves me so, it's I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out that door. Can't stop to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for Mom and Dad for sticking two together, cause we don't know how. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. You think you've got it, oh, you think you've got it, just don't get it till there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together. Separate's always better when there's feelings involved. If what they say that nothing is forever, oh Lord, now what makes love the exception? So why, oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why? Do some things that I don't want to know we're not happy here. Say hey ya, hey ya. Hey ya, hey ya. Alright now, fellas, I say what's cooler than being cool. Okay, yeah, thanks man. No one ever does that, eh? What's cooler than being cool? Alright now, lady, we're gonna break it down in just a few seconds here. I wanna see how long the body's behaving. Lend me some sugar, I am your neighbor. Give it up and shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, 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 shake it like a. I said, oh, I said, shake it up now. I said, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up in my hey ya, hey ya. Thank you.